Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal in the microwave. First, grab a large, microwave-safe bowl. This prevents any messy boilovers. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of rolled oats that's ideal for a single serving. Then, add 1 cup of liquid, either water or milk, depending on how creamy you like your oatmeal. This simple ratio is key for perfect results every time. Now, place your bowl in the microwave and cook on high power for 1 to 2 minutes. It's crucial to watch it carefully, especially during the last 30 seconds, to prevent it from boiling over. Once the time is up, carefully remove the hot bowl. Give your oatmeal a good stir to ensure all the oats are evenly cooked and the texture is perfectly consistent throughout. This is where you can get creative. After cooking, feel free to add your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It really brings out the natural sweetness and depth of flavor. Let it sit for just 1 minute to thicken slightly, then it's ready to enjoy. Here are a couple of extra tips for your perfect oatmeal. If you prefer a thicker consistency, simply reduce the liquid by about 1/4 cup. Also, make cleanup a breeze by rinsing your bowl right after eating. This prevents any oats from drying and sticking. And speaking of fresh, if your car could use a little refresh, check out the link in the description for Little Trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.